Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a different type of video today. So my planning style is, what I do is I typically either Saturday or Sunday, sometimes Friday nights, depending on what I'm doing on the weekend, I sit down and take about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to decorate my planner for the week, right? And I film that and then I upload it on Monday. Now, what I generally do throughout the week, typically on either Wednesday or Thursday, I will sit down and kind of put some additional things in my planner for what I did on Monday, Wednesday, Wednesday. If it's Thursday, then I write some stuff down on Thursday. And then when I come back to my planner and start decorating, then I typically finish up the other weeks or the other days. So I thought that I kind of thought to myself, like, why don't I record that part of the planning process and then upload a video? So that's what I'm doing. I am going to record at least some of the pieces of it. So it's right now, it's Wednesday. It's actually Veterans Day and I have the day off from work. So I thought that I would sit down and kind of just record some of the things and kind of go over how I actually plan. So I typically take the planner out of the page out of the planner, and then for this particular one, so I have quite a few decorative stickers on here. So I want to kind of have a little bit more functional stickers on this page. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my pen. I don't think I've ever talked about what kind of pen I use. So I'm going to leave a link to the pens that I use. The pen, I basically use one pen. It's this pen. And I pretty much use it for everything. It's pretty fine tipped. I want to say it's a 0.5, but it's not on here and I don't know off the top of my head what it is, but it'll be in the listing. And I get them from Amazon. I get a box of them from Amazon and they probably last me, I probably have to buy one. I have to buy a box probably every 6 months just because I basically use them for everything. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to use these three stickers right here. When I put them on here when I was planning, I knew that I would have Wednesday off. I did put the Veterans Day sticker from Happy Planner on here. Not sure if that's showing up because of the gold foil, but that's what's on this sticker. I knew that on Wednesday I would actually have some time to craft and do some crafty stuff on this day because I had the day off. So I'm just going to write down, planner. Let me write down planner vid. I'm going to just write because I can't fit video, but basically it's this video right now. And then I want to work on my December daily foundation pages. So that's what's coming soon. I also have a setup video for my December daily and all my Christmas stuff. So I have recorded that video, but I do need to edit it. So I'm just gonna write December daily org vid post. I'm just gonna post that video. So I think I'm gonna post this for next week to come out next week. So we'll see. So that's kind of like my to-do list, the things I want to get done today. Yesterday I was gaming online with some friends, so I'm just gonna write that. That's typically what I do on Tuesday nights. We have kind of a planning, like a reoccurring game night. We play board games through this thing called Tabletop Simulator. And yeah, so we typically play this one single game. We have like kind of like a rivalry on this game. And it is something that I typically don't win. I have won several times, but it's not something I typically win. But it's still fun to play. So that's what I want right there. And then I think I'll probably pull out some kind of sticker for that. And then on Tuesday, I received my, I received a package from L Studios. So I'm just going to write on here that I received that. So I'm just going to write Happy Mail. And then L Studios. And it was the 2021 stuff. And then on Monday, I decided that I wanted to get out of the house a little bit. So I did a little shopping and I went to the Dollar Tree. And I went to Tuesday morning. Now I don't think I don't know if I'm going to do a haul video for either one of those because I didn't really get very much stuff, but potentially I might. And then the other thing, there's something else I got on Monday, and I can't remember what it is. We'll write that in later. Okay, so let's go ahead. So now what I kind of do, I have a bunch of, I'll show you this real quick. This is my little like storage for my stickers, and I have a bunch of kind of like Halloween or holiday themed stickers. So I'm gonna kind of pull those out and use those. I like this sticker book. Probably it's one of my favorites because it has a bunch of like words on it. I don't know. I'm using these sparingly because it's difficult. I'm using these sparingly. So I'm going to put this little me time sticker right here because that's really what today is all about. It's just me spending some time doing stuff I like. I want to try to find a shopping sticker right here. There's ones that have grocery shopping, and I typically cut the groceries out, and then I maybe we'll just do let's see, so I have this little ring of stickers that these are kind of just random stickers from like older collections, and then also some of them are stickers for that kind of, when the sticker book kind of falls apart, then I put them on this ring, and they are sort of kind of in order, but yeah, so that's what this is. So I think that my shopping one, I think it is in here because I think it fell out of the book. Oh, there they are. Knew they were in here. Okay. So what I'd like to do, I'll just take this sticker. I'm just going to cut the word grocery. And put the word shopping right here. There. And then I need to, let me get out conveniently enough, I have a online grocery delivery coming tomorrow. Or did I schedule it for Friday? I think it's scheduled for Friday. So I'm going to just put this right here. I can't remember what time I scheduled it for, so I'll have to look that up and then write that in there. Okay. So this is the stuff that I had left over from planning. So I just want to see, I want to kind of maybe fill this spot right here. So I wanted to see if there was anything in here that would work for that. Sweater-weather's kind of cute. It was pretty cold on Monday, and I actually did wear a sweater. So let's do that. I'm going to cut this. And maybe I could put like a little pumpkin. What's this? Find your tribe and love them hard. I'm going to put this right here. What am I doing this weekend? Oh, my sister's coming over. I'm going to put this right here. It says, find your tribe and love them hard. My sister's actually coming over. I'm not even sure what we're doing. Okay, let's see. What else can I do? I kind of think I want to add something right here. And now that I have this color here, I have a little bit over here, but I feel like it needs this color over here now. I don't know if I have anything that has that color. Not really seeing anything. Let's see. Let's look at the stickers. Maybe this would be cute. All right. And I think that's all I can really do for now. I probably will game again on Thursday night, possibly. My sister's coming over on Saturday, but I want to wait to put anything on here because I want to, I just want to wait. I want to wait. So, and then I probably will do my planner video on Sunday. That's why I put this big sticker here. I guess I'll just write that down because I'm definitely going to do that. So I'll just do, I typically like write plan with me. And then I like to do, let's do, Okay, and let's see if I can put a little word right there. All right, so I'm sure I just edited out a lot of that because it literally took me probably a good minute and a half to pick this sticker out of the sticker book because I'm literally reading everything like 15 times, but I decided to go with Shades of Autumn. And then I think I'm going to put Time Together. I'm going to put this right in between these two because my sister is going to be with us that day. So now that I have a couple over here, I want a couple over here. So I'm going to probably look at this for another couple of minutes. Let's do Amazing Autumn Days. I'll just put this right here. Okay, so that is pretty much what I wanted to do in this video. I just wanted to kind of walk through some of the things I did when I actually put stuff on my planner pages. So that's kind of my process, and that's how I do it. So if you're interested in this type of video, I would love to hear from you down in the comments. I could potentially make this something kind of on a regular basis. I know there's a lot of people on that subscribe to my YouTube channel that love my Plan With Me videos and would appreciate kind of having a little bit more happy planner videos. So that's why I kind of put this together, because I know that that's something that people have asked me for in the past. So if you are interested in something like this, then please go ahead and you know, leave me a thumbs up, and then also tell me in the comments down below. So yeah, so that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again next time.